Shipping containers come in standard widths of 2.4 meters wide or as custom container modules prefabricated as wide as 3 meters. In this video, we bring to you City Vista, a modular residential apartment complex in Brisbane built using container-like modular steel pods. Welcome back. City Vista is a boutique residential development on an escarpment with magnificent panoramic views, including the Brisbane CBD. The project is built using 28 custom-designed container-like modules to construct the core of the four-storey apartment complex with 13 Hillside apartments. The modular units were constructed off-site at a factory in Foshan, China. The installation of the 28 custom-designed pods only took 3 days, reducing the whole project time by 3 months compared to conventional building techniques. Each apartment is built out of 2 adjoining pods placed parallel to each other and partly offset horizontally to create a big covered deck and an entrance porch on opposite sides. The modules are 3 meters wide, slightly wider than standard shipping containers. Each apartment unit accommodates 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open plan living in 110 square meters of habitable space. From the entrance porch, the main door swings open into the entrance lobby. Right in front of the lobby is the fully fitted gourmet kitchen. The kitchen is nicely furnished, complete with glossy white cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and quartz countertops. The kitchen sink and the worktop sits in front of the well-tiled, black-colored kitchen backsplash. The kitchen island also provides extra worktop space and can also be used as a breakfast counter that can comfortably seat 3. Connecting the 2 modules is a big opening linking the kitchen and the open plan living room in the second module. The living room is big enough to accommodate lounging and dining areas. The cozy lounge area is complete with a comfortable couch, an easy chair, a coffee table, a fluffy floor mat, and a credenza for a flat-screen TV and other home accessories. Next to the lounge is a sizable dining space with a custom dining table that can seat 4 or more depending on your configuration. On the farthest end of the dining is a reading nook with overhead storage shelves, creating an ideal space for a home office that can also be closed off to resemble a cupboard. The living space opens effortlessly to a big covered balcony located on the longer elevation of the apartment block with the beautiful views of the CBD. The full-height glass doors slide open, creating a seamless indoor-outdoor connection, enhancing maximum daylighting and cross ventilation. The remaining space in the first module accommodates a well-appointed master bedroom. The master bedroom ensuite is big and spacious, fitted with a big picture window illuminated by natural light, offering breathtaking views to wake up to every morning. The bedroom feels welcoming and spacious thanks to the minimalist interiors, the white painted walls, the big glass windows that fills the space awash with natural light, creating that feel of openness and spaciousness. Just off the master bedroom is a stunning master bathroom with a glass shower stall, modern wash-hand basin, and a large mirror that makes it even more appealing and spacious. Off the entrance lobby is the guest bedroom and common bathroom. The bedroom is beautifully designed to be cozy and comfortable with a king-sized bed, bedside pendant lights, storage stand, and floor-to-ceiling glass windows, which gives you the best view from the bed. The common bathroom has a glass shower cubicle, a deluxe toilet, and modern wash-hand basins with enough storage. The entire house has an interior decorated with clean spare lines with a wide range of high-tech materials and furniture to create a modern interior space that is bright and shipshape. The interior of the house is painted in light colors to create a sense of openness, awash with natural light from the sizable glass windows, helping to kill any feeling of confinement synonymous with shipping container spaces. The house is finished with glossy and polished tiled floors in the living spaces and wall-to-wall carpet in the bedrooms. From outside, there is no hint that this amazing apartment complex is built out of shipping container-like modules. The building is covered with multi-colored fiber cement cladding with decorative expressed joints. Various vertical modules are covered with deco panels painted in wine red. Others are covered with lemon green and dark gray, creating a stunning exterior appearance which is nicely appreciated from the streetscape. The gray painted section on the ground floor level creates a cool, calming feel against the multicolored facade. The quality of workmanship, both inside and out, is quite commendable. What do you like about this amazing shipping container-like complex? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we cover a wide range of amazing shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.